Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about pomegranates, and this is part 2 in a series on tips and ideas for using pomegranates. So I hope you saw part 1. If you didn't, the link is in the description box below. Watch them both so you get the whole list. Anyway, if you're looking for some tips and ideas for using pomegranates, hopefully this will help you out. Garnish sauteed baby greens with diced shallots, pecans, and pomegranate arils. Top butternut apple soup with pomegranate arils. That sounds really yummy. Get creative and include pomegranate juice into your soups, jellies, sorbets, sauces, and even cake, muffin, and quick bread batters, even baked apples and other desserts as well. It'll add a delicious flavor to them. Top a quinoa tabbouleh with pomegranate arils. How about adding pomegranate to your favorite smoothie? Try a spinach pomegranate salad. Place spinach leaves in a large bowl. Top them with some sliced red onions, toasted walnut pieces, crumbled feta cheese if you want, and your favorite sprouts. It could be broccoli sprouts, alfalfa sprouts, whatever you have. And then toss on some pomegranate arils. Drizzle it with your favorite balsamic vinaigrette dressing or other dressing that's your favorite and enjoy. Try a ginger orange pomegranate relish. Mix together 1½ cups of pomegranate arils, 1 tablespoon of orange zest, 1/2 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Add a tablespoon or 2 of orange juice if you want more liquid in there. Cover it, refrigerate it for an hour or 2, and allow the flavors to blend that way, and then enjoy. Make a pomegranate smoothie. A lot of people are enjoying smoothies these days, and this would be a yummy one and nutritious as well. Briefly blend 1 cup of pomegranate arils from 1 pomegranate, and this is just for the sake of breaking them up. Then add to that blender 1 cup of frozen pineapple, 1 banana, a cup of ice if you want it colder, 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1/2 tablespoon of maple syrup. Blend until smooth and enjoy. I do hope this helps you out. There were some delicious sounding ideas in there, and I hope you'll give them a try. Let me know if you have other ideas and other things, ways that you use pomegranates. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.